Hi everyone, so I quickly decided to make this video to wrap up 2018. So if you're seeing this video, it's probably because you subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, maybe you should, because I'll also show you what I'll be doing in 2019. So I'll take you through this quick video and I hope you like it. So now I'll show you some quick tips to get better results. So these were like kind of the best moments of 2018 in a powerful like video edit. Some quick numbers, so we've added 1.1 million views on this YouTube channel. That's about 4.5 million minutes being watched, so that's pretty amazing. I'm pretty excited about that. About the subscribers, we added 10,000 subscribers, so can be better. So how I'm going to try to fix this, I'm going to try to add more videos more frequently. So I'll try to do it every 2 weeks, but I'll try just to do like in general 2 videos a month, so we can get 24 videos. This year it was 18 videos, and maybe like do even more, because I also want to like go further into the We Love Composites page that I have on Facebook. Maybe you should try to subscribe to that. I also have like a video playlist about that, like more trying to go more specific into composites and do like a quick talk maybe every week, for example about resins or fibers, or just in general what I find on the internet like Instagram and such. I upload 1 picture a day on Instagram as well, so if you can't get enough of this YouTube channel and want to see more pictures like behind the scenes or just projects being made, you can also find me on Instagram. So I'll add the username in the comment section or in the description section below. So fun fact, 97% are men on this YouTube channel. I don't know where the women are. Maybe if you're one of them, leave a comment below. I would be pleased to meet you, because those 3% are poorly represented on here. If you have like projects that I need to cover, write it down in the comments below. I'll do some 3D printing, more about that later on, and I'll explain you a bit more what you can expect for 2019 on short term on this YouTube channel. For 2019 you can expect like better camera gear, so I added a GoPro into the gear that I'll be using in the tutorials, especially for like more slow motion shots or like more action shots. just to immerse you a bit more into the subject that I'm working on. I also add a clip-on microphone, so I'll be buying this first thing in 2019 because I think sound is very important in videos, so better sounds with the clip-on microphone. Then about the project, so I'll do on short term in 2019, what I have planned is this. So there will be a new YouTube button video. The last one was made in carbon fiber, the second one was glow in the dark for 25,000 subscribers, and for 50,000 subscribers I'll be uploading this video. So now we're at 44,000 I think. Normally in about 2 months we should reach that. So the faster you find people to subscribe as well, the faster the video will be uploaded. So it will be for 50k subscribers. So this is the diamond YouTube button that I'll be using for the next topic. So I'll have to do, so this is 3D printed, so I've surrounded myself with some amazing people doing things with 3D printing. So I'll do a full tutorial about how to finish 3D parts, how to make molds, how to do, like, probably it will be pre-preg or resin casting, and I'll be sending these out to big YouTubers all around the world. So people that inspire me or influence me in my work will get one of these custom made diamond YouTube buttons. So the other project that will be uploaded pretty soon is the pokeball. So I've teased you quite a lot on Instagram. It was part as well of a 3D printing tutorial, including like many factors. So I have wood veneer laminating into it, I have resin infusion, then there's the 3D printing and how to finish it. Then there will also be in that video about silicon casting and resin casting. So it's a very big project involving many like topics into the things that I do. So I'm pretty excited about this project. I still have to cast the silicon mold and then just do the casting. So then I'll be finished and I'll be able to upload it. So it's pretty soon in 2019 that this video will be online. So this was the recap of 2018 and what you can expect for 2019. Something that I want to add is I want to reach 100,000 subscribers in 2020, I think, to be reasonable fair with myself. So I will need your help for that, guys. So keep sharing my videos on Reddit, Facebook, everywhere you can, so we can try to reach this together, because I think this is a project we're working on together. I've been making videos for 6 or 7 years now and still know the first guy who subscribed to me, and many more to come. So I hope to see you all in 2019, and don't forget to hit that like buttons on the video and subscribe as much as you can, and find people to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So thanks for watching and see you guys in 2019.